Imagine a group of kindred spirits from all walks of life, converging in an incredible land, armed with nothing but their cameras and an insatiable wanderlust. Our adventures are bound by the common language of photography and life experience. These photo trips are about forging connections, igniting passions, and embarking on the trip of a lifetime with fellow photography enthusiasts. Capture golden sunsets cascading over rugged mountain ranges, and so much incredible history and storytelling. All of it's amazing, but beyond all the photo opportunities and awe-inspiring landmarks, the true treasure that you leave these expeditions with comes from you and everyone that you meet and share the experience with. If you've ever dreamed of traveling, embarking on a voyage of discovery, immersing yourself in the kaleidoscope of cultures and perspectives that our world has to offer, I urge you to take that leap, click the link, and join us on our next photo trip.